Hi everyone, this is Professor Justin Pariseau of Prairie State College. I'm here today to talk about the Contagion of Liberty that influenced the Atlantic revolutions in the late colonial period. The document that's up on the screen is an image of the Declaration of Independence, which was adopted on July 4th, 1776 by the Second Continental Congress in the United States during the course of the American Revolution. And the ideas found in this document ended up influencing many of the revolutions that took place thereafter. The French Revolution giving way to the Haitian Revolution, and then, of course, the influence of the American Revolution on the Latin American revolutions. One of the ideas that a noted scholar and historian Bernard Bailyn talked about in the ideological origins of the American Revolution was the contagion of liberty itself. The idea that even if the ideals of the revolutions were not as extensive or as radical as we might hope to have had them be in the course of the 18th century, that the ideas that began in the various Atlantic revolutions that start with the American Revolution in 1775 and then continue on through progressive revolutions following thereafter, that those ideas ultimately give rise to many of the revolutionary radical changes that will happen in the latter part of the 1800s in the next century. So as you think about the various Atlantic revolutions, particularly as you do a deep dive on the French Revolution this week, begin to think about the ideas that are set forth in the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen, and then the follow-up document, the Declaration of the Rights of Woman by Olympe de Gouges, and think a little bit about how the ideas of the various Atlantic revolutions influenced each other, and how each successive Atlantic revolution built upon the progress of the prior one. So I look forward to reading what you have to say in your discussion posts and your reactions to your classmates this week as you do a deep dive on the ideology of the various Atlantic revolutions.